Hi, I'm Sam. In this video, I'll show you how to use the stimulator feature in LabChart Lightning. The stimulator feature can be used to deliver electrical stimulation from a PowerLab to a variety of samples and subjects, or to trigger external devices. You can access the stimulator panel from the View menu and the toolbar. Lightning uses protocols to contain the settings for all the different stimulus waveforms your experiment requires. When opening the stimulator in a new project, you'll see a default protocol with a hardware output assigned if a PowerLab is connected. Expanding the waveform preview lets you see what stimulus will be output by this protocol. You can choose to start stimulating automatically when sampling starts, or you can control the stimulation manually. Click the Edit button to configure the stimulus protocol. As well as enabling and disabling the protocol, you can set the name for your protocol here. Setting the device outputs to be used with this protocol is easy. Click the Set Outputs button to see the connected hardware and choose your desired outputs. It's possible to stimulate from multiple outputs on the same PowerLab, or, as we will show later, from multiple PowerLab C-Series devices. You can set the stimulus waveform to suit your experiment. Lightning also has 4 burst-type waveforms, making it easy to set up complex pulse bursts. Once selected, each waveform has a set of parameters you can use to configure the stimulus output. You can also set the start delay and the number of times the stimulus will repeat before stopping. The waveform preview lets you see what output the stimulator protocol will deliver. You can zoom, scroll, or play through the waveform. Once you've configured the stimulus waveform, simply enable the protocol and start sampling in chart view to start stimulating. You can create as many stimulator protocols as you need. Here, we've added protocols for the setup and testing phases of an experiment. Each phase is set to deliver a different stimulus output. LabChart Lightning lets you use multiple isolated stimulator devices simultaneously if these are connected to a PowerLab C. Simply select the stimulus isolator outputs to use with a protocol in the same way as for a single PowerLab. When we start the stimulus, we see that all outputs connected through the PowerLab C are stimulating together. Controlling stimulation is easy. You can control each protocol independently using their local buttons, or use the global buttons to control all protocols together. The stimulator feature can also be used without a device connected. You can set up your stimulus protocols from the comfort of your office or couch. You can find out more about the stimulator feature in LabChart Lightning by contacting your technical support person.